Let's face it, getting all the nutrients you need from food alone can be tough. Even with a well-balanced diet, it can be challenging to meet all your nutritional needs every single day. That's where fitness supplements come in. They can fill in the gaps and ensure your body gets what it needs to perform at its best. Think of them as powerful allies in your fitness journey. Whether you're hitting the gym or going for a run, supplements can provide that extra boost. Supplements provide concentrated doses of essential nutrients that can be hard to get solely from your diet. For example, protein powders can help you meet your protein goals without having to consume large amounts of food. Whether you're aiming to build muscle, lose weight, or boost endurance, the right supplements can make a world of difference. They can enhance your performance and help you achieve your fitness goals more efficiently. Remember, supplements are meant to complement a healthy diet, not replace it. They work best when used in conjunction with nutritious foods. Before adding any supplements to your routine, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs and goals. They can help you determine which supplements are safe and effective for you. Not all supplements are created equal, and professional guidance can make a big difference. It's crucial to choose high-quality supplements from reputable brands. Always read labels carefully and do your research. Look for products that have been third-party tested for purity and potency. This ensures that what you're taking is both safe and effective, giving you peace of mind. Want to pack on muscle? Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, the right nutrients can make all the difference. Protein is your best friend. It's essential for muscle repair and growth. Protein provides the building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow after a tough workout. Consuming enough protein can help you recover faster and build muscle more efficiently. Aim for a protein source with all 9 essential amino acids like whey protein. These amino acids are crucial for muscle synthesis. You can easily add a scoop of whey protein to your smoothies or shakes after training. It's a convenient way to ensure you're getting enough protein. Creatine is another supplement that can help you build muscle and strength. It's one of the most researched and effective supplements available. Creatine helps your muscles produce more energy during high-intensity workouts. This extra energy can enhance your performance and endurance. This can lead to significant gains in muscle mass and strength over time. Consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate creatine into your routine. Look for creatine monohydrate, the most researched form of creatine. It's proven to be safe and effective for muscle building. Vitamins and minerals are essential for overall health and fitness. They are the building blocks that keep our bodies functioning optimally. They play a vital role in energy production, immune function, and recovery. Without them, even the most rigorous exercise routines can fall short. Vitamin D, for example, is crucial for calcium absorption and bone health. It also supports our immune system and mood regulation. Many people are deficient in vitamin D, especially those who live in areas with limited sunlight. This deficiency can lead to weakened bones and a compromised immune system. Iron is another important mineral, particularly for women. It helps in the formation of hemoglobin, which is vital for transporting oxygen in the blood. Iron is essential for red blood cell production, which carries oxygen throughout the body. This is especially important for athletes who need optimal oxygen levels for peak performance. Iron deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and decreased athletic performance. It's a common issue that can be easily addressed with proper nutrition. Make sure to include plenty of iron-rich foods in your diet, such as lean red meat, which is a great source of heme iron, spinach, and beans. These plant-based options are also excellent sources of non-heme iron, which can be just as beneficial when consumed with vitamin C-rich foods. Section 4, Shedding Pounds Smarter. Supplements for weight loss. When it comes to weight loss, creating a calorie deficit is key. However, certain supplements can help support your weight loss efforts. Protein supplements can aid in weight loss by promoting satiety and preserving lean muscle mass. Fiber supplements such as glucomannan can also be helpful for weight loss. Fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, helping you feel fuller for longer. This can help you consume fewer calories throughout the day. Section 5, Going the Distance. Nutrients for enhanced endurance. Endurance athletes need to fuel their bodies for long-duration exercise. Carbohydrates are the primary fuel source for endurance activities. Consider using carbohydrate gels or sports drinks during long workouts or competitions to replenish glycogen stores. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium are lost through sweat. It's important to replenish electrolytes to prevent dehydration and maintain performance. You can find electrolyte supplements in powder, capsule, or tablet form. Section 6. Supplement Savvy, incorporating supplements safely and effectively. Remember, supplements are not a magic bullet. They work best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Start with 1 or 2 supplements at a time and monitor your body's response. Gradually increase your dosage as needed. Always follow the recommended dosage instructions on the supplement label. More is not always better, and exceeding the recommended dose can increase your risk of side effects. Store your supplements in a cool, dry place to maintain their quality.